focus on me. Hey dudes, it's Love. I have a new video for you, and this video is going to be a day in my life. So I'm just going to take you guys through a few different things that I would typically do throughout my day, whether it is doing my hair or going to work or going to my internship or whatever the case may be. I'm just going to take you guys along for the ride. So this is a day in my life during winter break, but this is the updated version because I know I did one back during Vlogmas in December, but this is different. Some things have definitely changed from what I did back then versus now because I'm still technically taking a class, and yeah. So if you have not seen my face before, hey, my name is Love, and I love you guys would stick around and subscribe down below and join the fam because we are super chill and fun over here. We are the chill and fun fam, and if you're not already a part of us, then you're really missing out. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and let's get into it. So the next thing I have to do is fix my hair. I've had my hair in a high top knot bun for like the past week, so like the outer shell is like hard and like flaking, but I'm just gonna braid it down. I typically only wash my hair once a month, and since I'm not going home, I'm not washing my hair. I have my mirror and all of my supplies in front of me, but this is typically one of the things I do during a day in winter break. I often end up fixing my hair every once in a while, so that's what we're gonna go ahead and do now. Everybody, I don't know why I'm talking like that. All right guys, this is the finished hair. I just did 4 little French braids and then I put them in little buns at the bottom. I thought that was super cute. This is gonna help me keep my hair neat for the next week while I am still interning at the hospital, because we constantly have to wear scrub caps and we're like wearing masks that go all the way around our head, so it's just easier if my hair is lower to put the masks on and the scrub caps. So yeah. Next up on the agenda is some schoolwork, because a day in my life does not end unless you see Love getting some work done. So I actually have to respond to a discussion post, because each day of the week that we go to the hospital, we have to write about what we did. So yesterday was the last day of the week for our first week of rotations, and I went in the hospital and other people responded to my comments that I made. So I have to answer their questions and respond to them. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do now. I'm going to open up my laptop and start typing away. So today is going to be a continuation of a day in my life, just because yesterday I didn't finish everything I wanted to do. I have more stuff to do today. Every day varies on what I have to do and why. So usually during the week I either have meetings on and off, I have work in the office, or I am at my internship. When I come back in the night, I am most likely finishing up some homework online, or I am just completing other tasks on my to-do list that I want to do for today. So the first thing on my to-do list for today was to eat lunch. I already did that. I put the duty bag back in the office and I just started my laundry. I also want to work out, respond to emails. I have to post TikToks from my job and film a day in the life. I'm already doing that. And then I want to start planning out the rest of my birthday details. I know my birthday is in July. It's 7 months away, but you can never plan too early. So we're going to go ahead and get through the rest of this. Most of this is going to take like 2 seconds. So let's just go ahead and get started. So usually I have you guys sitting up on my monitor stand, like right on top of my laptop. But since I need to use it, I have to move you guys around. So for my birthday this year, I want to do something very extravagant, even though Lord knows where the world will be at that time, because, you know, 2021 just feels like a continuation of 2020. So Lord knows where we'll be during that time, but I am turning 21 this year, so I wanted to do something super fun and extravagant for my 21st birthday. And I have a good idea of most of it planned out. I just need to pick the restaurant, I think, and I just need to plan out the details of when I want to pay for things and what I want to bring with me, because I don't want to tell you guys it yet. It's way too early to give away any spoiler details, but it's gonna be big, okay? It's gonna be big and it's gonna be fun, but it's still gonna be with a small group of friends because there's no need for all that jazz. But yeah, so funny thing, the power just went out. No idea why. And I just put in laundry. So I'm pretty sure that my laundry is messed up now. So I have to go back downstairs and check if it's still running. And I don't know why they usually give us announcements or you send us emails when the power is about to go out. Now I have no Wi-Fi. So I can't continue my day because everything else I need to do is on a computer. My computer has been saying reconnecting for the past 3 minutes, so it's just a cute day all around, is it not? Alright guys, so I literally just got back from my internship. This is my second week going. So this internship lasted 2 weeks and it was 3 days per week per student. So in total, 12 students out of my university in the sciences department got the internship, and we each rotate through 2 different hospitals. And we are at each hospital for 3 days a week and in different departments. So this is my second week of rotations. So far it's been pretty great. I really can't complain. There have been some departments of the hospital that are a little bit boring than others, but I'm still getting an education, so I'm definitely still enjoying it. I just got back. This was my first day at the new hospital. It's Tuesday, and I think the people at this hospital were genuinely nicer, for one, and were willing to communicate and get me assimilated, and they made me feel welcomed more than I felt at the other hospital, just depending on what department I was in. So this is the radiology department, which I was in today, and in this department I was in CT scans and basically CAT scans of like anywhere all over the body, and when I wasn't doing scanning, I was either typing up notes on my iPad because we have to write a discussion post every single day, and then if I wasn't doing that, I was just somewhere in the hospital. So that was pretty much my day, and yeah. Now I'm going to finish up this discussion post because it has to go up the day you go to the hospital, and you have to respond to the comments that people make under your posts. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and that will pretty much be the end of my day. I'm just going to be editing this vlog, and I will be starting other YouTube videos as well. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, letting me know you liked it. Also, leave me some comments and video requests down below because I'd love to film those for you guys. And that is pretty much it. Make sure to subscribe if you have not already. Love you guys all so much. Peace, dudes.